7 Magic Mountains. We are out here about 20, maybe 25 minutes from downtown Las Vegas Strip area. About 20 minutes from California. Straight down here. These are like 30, 40 foot tall structures just painted different colors over here. These are all private. Around here you can see the dust flying up. Pretty popular attraction. Well, there's the highway to California. So I think there's some metal rebar in there that are holding the rocks together. Pretty neat. It's kind of like that solid rock. Wow, you got them all stacked up like that. It's kind of like that place in West Texas, like Marfa, or no, the place that has the